If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. This is just absolutely incredible, guys. It just can't stop pumping, honestly. Ow, another 10% day, like what the... Thank you, crypto market. Thank you, Injective protocol. What a gem that we're holding. What we're seeing right now is after yesterday's little bit of a dump. I think when I was making the video, we were somewhere over here, big green candle, but I was suggesting that, you know, as we previously got these wick rejections, even though it was green at that time, I was saying, look, guys, there's a lot of the day left. We probably might get a reversal. And then this is the point of support that we need to hold the 1272 down to that wick. And then we came all the way back down to the 1272 at 29.85 cent and then completely reversed simply because when we meet the 1618, it doesn't mean all targets have been met. That's the first three set of targets have been met once you get to the 1618. Then you still got these next three. However, the next step once you meet this 1618 is rolling over and finding a key level of support. Now, you could have gone lower than the 1272, honestly, and it still would have been fine. You could have come down to the golden pocket and still eventually we would have continued up to the technical target that we've hit today, $33. And if you remember a few days back, we were saying the next technical target is $35. That is going to be another wall. And it's also a different fib level from a larger time frame. If I can show you it, if it wants to let me show you. Oh, it's not letting me show you guys, sorry. Unfortunately, I'd have to go to the higher time frames just to show you what that fib level is. I think it is the the 1272, yeah, $35. This is out of the fib retracement, measuring the pretty much the 2021 high to the 2022 low. And after we've broken the golden pocket, essentially means that we should go ahead and meet all these price targets, and nice to see that we are on the way to $35, next 50, 65, 90, 100, and we are in this technical target to the upside out of this inverse head and shoulders first called here on the channel when Injective was $9, guys. Look, very quickly we've been pumping. Remember, I called for this over 900% move, and we are pretty much halfway there. We're 274% higher than the breakout. So again, as long as you're maintaining that breakout, we're going to continue to the technical target, and we know that along the way there might be some stop offs. Next one, 35, 51, 65, 89, and that's where our target out of the inverse head and shoulders lies. However, it's not calling for the all-time bull market top. It's just, this is the most recent pattern that we have, that is its technical target. At that point of meeting it, then we might get a reversal where we get a big dump, and then I'll be able to place the fibs and spot new patterns to the upside that will target beyond $100. So yeah, very exciting times up ahead. Let me just go back to the daily time frame just to see what this is looking like, as we haven't looked at it at the the daily time frame yet. The 20 moving average price action is above that point. I think in yesterday's update I said, yeah, we don't want to lose the daily 20, that wick pretty much, because by the time it takes to get down, that would come in line with there. So we don't want to lose $23 for this continuation, so we can hit 35, 50, 65, 89, and so on and so forth. And so yeah, it's nice to see a nice big green candle again. After yesterday's one was actually a negative candlestick, but what you have to then do is scale down time frames, try and understand what is going on. And then as long as we're holding the 1272, we're just looking for immediate short-term continuation to these next targets. But if we had lost the 1272 and the daily 20 move and the 4-hour 20 moving average, then we could have put a correction back down to the golden pocket, where the 55 would hold you as support and bring you back above that 1272 and 20 moving average for the continuation onwards and upwards. Guys, there's not much more to say other than keep expecting upside as long as $29 continues to hold as support. Make sure, if you haven't already, to like, subscribe, comment and share, as we're trying to hit 7.5k before the end of this year, and we're under 200 subs away. So yeah, make sure you can share this update if you want to get educated so you can predict the market movements. Remember, we've called over a 200 or almost 250% move since the initial breakout here at about $9 back in October time. So literally a month or two later, we're sitting at insane gains, and hopefully you were following along with the TA since back then. If not, now make sure you subscribe for further free valuable content. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, share. If you want to get educated, use the links down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click Take Action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.